Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you VS Code free AI coding setup using OpenCode free AI. I have already installed Git, VS Code and Node.js. Now check the Node.js and npm version. Go to Windows search cmd. Click command prompt. Type node-v. Hit enter. Now you can see the Node version 24.15.0. Type npm-v. Hit enter. npm version is 11.12.1. Close command prompt. Now I am going to install OpenCode. Open web browser. Go to Google search. Type OpenCode AI. Hit enter. Scroll down. Click on OpenCode, the open source AI coding agent. Now the OpenCode official website open here. Click npm. Copy this command. Go to Windows search. Type cmd. Click command prompt. Paste the copied command here. Hit enter. Now OpenCode is installed. Type OpenCode. Hit enter. OpenCode is open. Build Pickle OpenCode Zen. Type /connect. Hit enter. Connector provider. OpenCode Zen recommended. Press enter. Its required API key. Now I am going to generate API key. Go to web browser. Click on Zen. Click Get Started with Zen. Click API keys. Click Create API key. Type here key name. Free. OpenCode. API. Key. Click Create. Key is generated. Copy this key. Go to command prompt. Paste the key here. Press enter. Now you can see the provider models. 5 free models are available. Big Pickle, DeepSeek v4, MiniMax M2.5, Nemotron 3, Last One Ring 2.6. Another paid models are also available. Haiku 4.5, Opus 4.1, Opus 4.5, Opus 4.6. Now I am going to select MiniMax M2.5 free model. Press enter on it. Type hi. Hit enter. Showing hi, how can I help you today? Type an article for missing dog. Hit enter. It asking provide some missing dog details. I will select second option. No, just give me template. Press enter. Now it's provide a template for missing dog. You need fill dog information and publish social media platform. You can see the how OpenCode works. Now I am going to set up OpenCode in VS Code for free coding. Close command prompt. Minimize web browser. Open VS Code. Click on extension. Type here OpenCode. Click install. Click on Trust Publisher and install. Now OpenCode is installed in VS Code. Now set the project folder in VS Code. Click on File. Click Open Folder. Click Documents. Click New Folder. I am given it folder name, OpenCode-project. Click Select Folder. Now add OpenCode-project in VS Code. Click on OpenCode icon. As you can see, it's getting error. No worry. Just select and copy the error. Go to web browser. Open new tab. Paste the error on Google search command. Hit enter. Click Show More. Copy this PowerShell command. Go to VS Code. Paste the command here. Hit enter. Now PowerShell command is executed. Close OpenCode. Run again OpenCode. Now you can see OpenCode is running in VS Code. Type Hi. Press enter. It's showing. Hi, how can I help today? Create a web page. For add office inventory item. Using HTML, JavaScript, CSS. Hit enter. Now you can see web page is created. Expand OpenCode-project. Click index.html. Here it's coding of web page. Right-click on index file. Select Reveal in File Explorer. Right-click on index. Click Open. Google Chrome. Click just once. Now you can see the Office Inventory web page is open. Now let's test. Web page is working or not. Type item name. Pen. Select stationery. Quantity 1. Location. Accounts. Condition. New. Description. Leave as default. Click Add Item. Item added successfully. Showing in current inventory. This means our web page is working. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn VS Code free AI coding setup using OpenCode. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.